Are you really good at what you do, whether you're a corporate professional or an entrepreneur? But when it comes to your style, when it comes to your dressy casual wardrobe, there seems to be a lot of missing pieces, or you're not sure how to create that dressy casual wardrobe that you kind of need with your new lifestyle. Maybe it is with your new work position. You're not needing to dress up as much anymore. Maybe it's your weekend wear and you're deciding, you know what? I want to elevate how I show up, and I'm seeing all these really cool pieces out there, but I have no idea how to wear them or how to create a wardrobe with incorporating them. Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I help successful, amazing women just like you. I help you to design and create a dressy casual wardrobe and to use it to support your, whether it's a business lifestyle, maybe it's your going out with the girlfriends lifestyle, maybe it's your weekend date lifestyle, whatever that might be for you, but you know that it's missing in your closet. So I want to welcome you to the Dressy Casual Wardrobe series. And today I want to talk about that dressy casual jacket. So I want to give you 3 options on what that might look like. So I purposely wore one of my favorite black t-shirts. And you know, why do I love this? It's that dressy casual. It's a t-shirt, but it's a beautiful Pima cotton fabric. It feels amazing. It washes up amazing. I love the neckline. And so when you are purchasing pieces, even though they are on the casual end, think about how you want to look, but also how you want to feel. So it might be the quality of the fabrics. So it's very simple, it's very basic, and it's very neutral. And I want to show you 3 ways to wear it. So I'm going to start out with a little more of the 3, a little more dressier. And this is a gingham. And you know, it really is a jean jacket. The fabric, it's a jean fabric, but as you can see, it has a little bit more dressy casual feel. And I've been using these words together on multiple videos about it's a little dressy, but you know that the fabric is more casual, so it allows you that relaxed, elegant feel with not being too overdressed or maybe too underdressed. So as you can see, I can rock this look if I really want to think I'm gonna kind of be that dressed up casual. I've combined my earrings and my necklace, and I might have on a dressier pair of shoes, but I could also wear this jacket with my sneakers, and that's what I love about it. So again, the dressy casual jean jacket. You may not be into gingham, and you may want a jean jacket, whether that is white or whether that is navy. Okay, I'm actually going to do some trying on today. So if you're not aware, white, the great whiteout, is a very on-trend color for spring 2022. This happens to be, and I know you've seen these, are kind of a track jacket, if you will, but this is white. So white, just so you know, always will come across as a little dressier. It's elegant, it's organized, and it's just crisp, right? It's crisp and clean, and it's smart. And so I love this. Here I got it. Have it with my black t-shirt, my jewelry. I could wear this with a pair of joggers. And again, I have that dressy, casual look and feel. And I love it. Personally love the contrast. It does not have to be white. Remember, everything that I share with you, it can be in a multitude of colors, whatever those colors are best for you. So this is the track jacket. Again, part of the dressiness is that it is white. Part of it also is that it is fitted, and so it's not a sloppy kind of feel, if you will. Okay, the last jacket I want to share with you is a jacket. Again, it's kind of almost like, actually, I'm going to tell you a secret. This is considered a running jacket. I'm not going to run in it, but I love it. I love the color. I love the feel. Now, it does have a hood. So a hood is going to be more casual. So I'm going to put it on. I'm going to still love it with my black dressy casual t-shirt. And as you can see, I'm still wearing it with my jewelry, and I love it. I'm a dressy casual kind of gal. You may not know that because so many times people will say to me, why are you so dressed up? You know, one of the things I do appreciate quality. I do appreciate when things are put together. I love when it feels stylish and current. And so here we are, is a running jacket, and I can put this on with a pair of jeans. I can put this on with a pair of jogger kind of pants, but I'm still in that put together dressy casual feel. So if you have loved what you have heard and you want to keep connected with me, I would love to keep connected with you. I invite you to AnnetteBond.com/style guide and to download my actually brand new Get Style Confident Now. And what this is I'm going to share with you, how do you begin showing up authentically? What does that look like? How do you start adding color to your wardrobe? How do you use pieces that you already have to make you feel more elevated, more powerful, and more confident?